best dropshipping product research tool for you to use in 2021. Hi guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best dropshipping product research tool that you can use right now for absolutely free. So firstly, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply come on to Alibaba.com. Now guys, Alibaba.com in itself is the best tool that you can use for dropshipping. Like literally anything you find over here, you can dropship with a big profit margin, like for real. So over here, once you come on to Alibaba, you will see the categories on the left side, and on the right side, you will see some advertisements and some of the best products over here. Now, simply take a look at this particular section where it says dropshipping. Click on this one, and then that is going to take you over here. So once you come on to over here, you can essentially see a lot of products in front of you. So you have the leopard v-neck, you have the 2021 new smart band fitness, you have the Bluetooth 5.0, and there are pajamas as well. Like there are so many accessories. So now what you can do is that you can simply choose categories from over here too. So for the categories, you have to be careful to not pick any bad categories or something like that. So what I want you to do is that I want you to simply pick a product. So I'm going to simply pick this particular watch over here, the new Smart 2021 fitness band. So if I were to click on this, I will see a lot of similar products as well. So I clicked on this one, and now I have the summer size pajamas, I have the Remax hand freeze, I have the Amazon top seller Reload G20 smartwatch. Like there are just so many options over here, and all of these options are available for dropshipping, like literally. So I'm going to be doing a comparison as well. So I'm simply going to open up Amazon right now in a different tab so that I could basically compare it with Alibaba as well. So now over here, let's say if I were to choose this particular product. So this particular product over here is gonna cost me $0.8, and honestly that is nothing when you compare with Amazon. So I'm gonna simply copy the title, and I'm gonna come over here on Amazon, and I'm gonna paste it over here. So once I do this, I will be able to see that very same product over here. So over here we have that product. So over here I can't see the price, but honestly this is going to be at least $15 or $20, or at a minimum $5, no less than that, because less than that it's just not profitable. So what you can do is you can simply source this product from over here, and you can sell it on Amazon for such a high price, and people are doing this. This is not something that I'm making up or anything like that. People are doing this. So for example, if I were to open up this particular hand freeze from over here, so these are the 2021 R15 TWS earphones. So I'm gonna simply basically copy the title, and I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna paste them in the search bar. So once I do that, I will be able to see that very same earbuds over here. So the price is not visible for I don't know what reason, but they're honestly gonna be sold for at least a lot of money. So over here we can see that these are being sold for $50. Guys, those very same AirPods are being sold on Alibaba for $5. And those very same earpods are being sold over here for $50. Guys, that is a 100% profit. So basically you can pick this product for $5 over here and sell it for $50 on Amazon. Guys, that is crazy, and people buy these products. So over here we have a ton of reviews for this product as well. So everybody's saying that these products are really, really nice and everything. So definitely a very, very nice tool for you to actually find products that you can drop ship. So again, the potential is there. So for example, I'm gonna basically find another product from over here. I'm gonna see. So guys, try to avoid electronic products as much as you can. The reason being because these products sometimes get damaged when they're shipped. So whenever a product gets damaged, the customers usually return that item, and then you can face a loss. So try to avoid electronic products as much as you can. And honestly, these things can go broke anytime without any reason, so it is always best to avoid them. So for example, I can see some more different things as well. So I'm gonna simply find a product that I think is really, really nice. So we have this summer night dress women. So I'm gonna simply open this up, and this is being sold for $4. So I'm gonna simply copy this, and I'm gonna come over here on Amazon, and now we can basically see how much this is being sold for. So this is being sold for $29. We have one being sold for $25. Then we have another one being sold for $27. So guys, the market is there. So I'm gonna open up this first one, and this is being sold for $21 to $24. Guys, that is a lot of money, considering that you can actually get it for $4. Guys, the difference is just so much. So guys, That is basically the idea. You find the product for a very cheap price on Alibaba, and then you can simply sell it on Amazon for a profit margin. Now, whenever you are product hunting on Alibaba, you have to actually take a few things into consideration. Firstly, your seller rating. So you have to take a look at the right side of all of these products. So guys, on the right side, you will basically be able to see the name of the manufacturer and also for how many time has this person stayed on Alibaba. So like we have this person who has been on this particular platform for over 2 years, and we can see that their response time is 8 hours, meaning that they are reliable. So like if you run into any problems or whatsoever during your shipping, you can always reach out to them. Then you have their delivery rate. So like 97% of the time, they are always on time delivery. And guys, honestly, that is good, because 100% is sometimes not that good. So like having a 97% delivery time basically ensures that the seller is honest and they are not making anything up. I mean, like sometimes the deliveries do get late because of external factors which are not entirely the fault of the supplier. So like definitely not a big problem. So once you have done this, and now after that is simply take a look at the reviews of this particular product. So for example, I'm going to simply scroll down and I'm gonna be able to see the reviews from over here. So like we have customers saying good stuff, and then we have some images of this particular factory over here as well, and then also all things that they do and some FAQ over here too. So like honestly, all these things really add to the overall authentication of a particular seller. And then again, like we have these things over here, and then similarly take a look at the right side, we have this seller over here, and this has stayed over here for 2 years, and this also has an 8 hours response time, a $730,000 transaction history. So like guys, they deal in big amounts, and then also a 99% on-time delivery. Guys, that is insane. And then similarly we have this as well, and also Alibaba trade insurance too. So like definitely a lot of good things, and you can definitely get by with these things as a complete beginner, and you can literally get started drop shipping. Now, the best platforms to drop ship are usually Shopify. So I'm going to open up Shopify. Now, Shopify is really trending, and Shopify has always been trending because like the options they offer are really nice. So what you can do is that you can simply click on one button. So like basically say I create my dropshipping store, and then after that your dropshipping store is going to be created, and then you will be set to go, and then your store is going to start working quickly within a few seconds. So like they offer a 14-day free trial, and then after that they are basically $29 per month, which is not a lot considering 6 figures are very normal in the world of dropshipping. So like definitely a huge potential, and $30 is literally nothing when you are dropshipping. So make sure to take full advantage of these tools because they're out there for your benefit, and you should definitely take full advantage if you have the means to do so. They have helped over 1.7 million businesses in over 175 different countries around the world, and they have made over $200 billion in USD in sales using Shopify. So like definitely a great platform, and I would highly recommend this to anybody starting right now. So like guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.